harvesting the lemon vine. I got my paper bag here, and let's see, let's set it somewhere that it won't get wet. There we go. And the way I'm gonna do this is I'm just gonna get it kind of normal, you know. Just I'm gonna get a lot of these bits with flowers on it because I want to harvest some of the seeds. And the seeds have turned out fairly viable, as far as I know. Yeah, you just want to grab these type of plants. Appreciate a haircut greatly. See, there you go. Let me get a little bit more. Kind of towards the end of the season, so it's about time I started focusing more on root production and stuff anyway too. There we go. All right, here's another shot of where I'm showing off some anise hyssop plants. See, the plants look perfectly okay. It just seems that the flowers are spent. So one of the ways that I can do it is that I could just kind of grab it from the seeds and just kind of pull seeds off as so. And that's not a bad way to do it. But, you know, since this plant's already like doing pretty good, and you know, I could probably just make it easier because I can just harvest the leaves too and just kind of boil those and make a great tea. It has like a licorice taste, and it smells like licorice. So I'm gonna go ahead and harvest the whole stem. Plant shouldn't be too shocked by that. It has other flowers down there kind of still going doing all right. Let's see if we can get a shot of that. Let's see. But yeah, these are some down here. Those aren't too, these aren't too bad. But like I said, I'm just gonna go ahead and just cut the stalks up here where the majority of the dead seeds are, and I'm just gonna harvest them all by pinning them in a bag and just shaking the seeds out of them. And whichever ones I miss, you know, they'll just reseed for next year. All right, another thing that I'm harvesting are these 4 o'clock seeds. Like I said, these flowers smell amazing. And as you can see, the seeds are these little black pods here. And these are just what's left over after, of course, the wind would blow right now. But yeah, these are just what are left over after the bloom like goes away. See, it would be that part right there. And just to harvest these, you just take these little rock-like pods. Cool, right? All right. Now, this time, this is me harvesting basil. It's a pretty big and strong plant, so just going to go ahead and kind of top it off at different points just so it can encourage more side growth. I'm probably going to let this kind of grow out after this one to get as big as it can. And I'm going to let it get as big as it can, and then I'm probably going to pull it up out the ground before the frost just so I can see if I can keep it alive in a pot. And, you know, it might not like that or anything, but for right now, like I'm just trying to test it out and trying to see just what's the best way of going about and getting this type of stuff. So yeah, let's see, how much more am I going to leave? Maybe take another. And smells great. And I'll probably use this to make a pesto tonight, or I might even just freeze it to kind of help it last longer, because that it does make the flavor like last a bit longer for me. All right, now this is the spearmint I was talking about earlier. It looks absolutely great, and it smells wonderful as well. And so the way I'm just going to do this is it's kind of tangled up and stuff, so I'm just going to take a huge cutting of that. Look at that. And I'm just going to go away with it. I mean, yeah, I see it kind of getting into the grasses and stuff like that, but I mean, who cares? It'd be terrible to have this not make my, like, what's the worst thing that could happen? Oh, my yard smells amazing. Yeah, I hear a lot of people complain about mint, but like I'm not one of them. I love mint. I love all of them, and I'm gonna try to see if I can get some pineapple mint or some apple mint or something like that, so that I can have all these different smells as I'm mowing the lawn in the future.